Oh, good. You get it pretty strapped?
Yeah, I think so. We'll see.
Whoa!
Okay, Aaron, get down. On the grass, I said, bud.
Nice.
On the grass.
But I want to see. Oh, look at that! Look at that car in there. Mommy, why is your camera on the train? Right there.
Yeah. See, like here, that's a 10-foot radius curve cut down. Yeah, well.
Going to the cold tower.
Oh no,
Hey, look, it's going
he should
to
put
the
it on
cold
here.
tower. Hey, look, there's a cold tower.
But then it won't. You can't see down the train.
Right.
Hey, there's a cold tower.
We can push the camera. We put the flat car in front of the engine. He wants to see the camera. It'll probably stay. There's 4 inches. Keep going.
It'll fit. It looks like it'll fit.
Well, we'll see. It'll be close. If it goes through there, it'll go.
Hey,